wena wendlovu, wena wendlovu, wena wendlovu, wena wendlovu, wayede simuntu ovele ngesiluba phakathi kwamangisi namaqedase inkonjane kandaba edubele eziboma ezinye zayidubele
zizohamba nge-order of proceedings athathe umhlanga sesiwubekile-ke ngama-diapers and then from here
Bayede wena wehenesi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jakey. Don't forget to subscribe. So South Africa is out here trolling the Zulu king, you know, after he was spotted. I mean, this video going viral of him drunk. You can see him stumbling, you know, failing to walk. Yolina, can you cut the king some slack, okay? Because he's also human, by the way. Oh, you know, like the last time he was trending, you guys were calling him Bayete we dog. And then now it's trending again, and you know, he's also a human being. Can someone just get drunk? I mean, come on, I'm joking. But like, you know, I don't know why, but it feels like the Zulu king is always, you know, catching these strays. Remember last time he was accused of being gay? Okay, you didn't hear it from me. So that was the clip where the Bayeta dog went viral. Look at him stumbling to get out of the car. Like, yeah, he is definitely high on something. Anyways, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section down below. With the king of Amazulu spotted drunk. So I'll see you on the next video.